market. Market.
Manila Market Grounds. Come on. Oo.
Masarap yung barbecue.
Pili ka? Thank you.
Ito pang kurente na isda. Takot sa aso. Takot sa aso. Aso dito.
Fisherman.
Time to go to, what do you call that? Mangilaw Flea Market. Say hi to vlog, Rihanna.
Hi.
Kuya, say hi to vlog. Hi.
Where are we going?
Here. Going to Mangilaw Flea Market. Flea Market?
Night Market.
Night market. It's first time going over there.
Pwede ba Tagalogan?
First time lang po namin doon sa pupunta. Tingnan namin kung may mga fish, yung mga local fishermen, kung ano yung binibenta nilang fish para huliin ko sa next time, kung ano yung pwedeng ibenta, huliin ko. That's the goal.
Huli ko.
Hindi, bibili rin kami ng fish kung merong magandang freshness. So, pakita lang namin kung ano yung mga binibenta nila dyan sa Mangilaw Flea Market. Malapit lang sa amin na ilang minutes, 10 minutes away sa tinituran namin. So, tabayanan nyo mga ka-share. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga binibenta nila. Tsaka mabibili raw si Mrs. ng gulay, mga fresh vegetables. So, yun lang. Tingnan nyo yung daan. Going to the market.
Open sila 5
5 o'clock
to
to
9
9 p.m.
p.m.
Night market. Night market gabi. Mangilaw na. Mangilaw night market, delivery market.
Mangilaw Night Market.
Mangilaw night market. Dali ba to?
Dun sa ano, sa pinakalas simbahan.
So pag nagpe-fishing tayo sa morning mga ka-share, ito lang yung daan natin. This is the road we're taking. Kasi pag sa highway ka sa Marine Corps Drive, maraming traffic light. So dito, walang traffic light. Diretso lang. At paglabas mo dito, ano na, malapit ka na sa fishing spot. Nakakatakot lang dito pag gabi. Pag gabi, ikaw lang mag-isa. Nagdadrive. Bakit? Madilim. Mangilaw Road.
Saint Santa Teresita. Santa Teresita Catholic Church.
Ma,
Oh, yes.
remember ka na Guam High Gives Back?
What?
Katong Guam High Gives Back na road field trip.
Mm-hmm.
Dili ko ng tabang kung mga Christmas decorations.
Ah, here.
Oh.
Sa Santa Rita Catholic Church. There.
That's the market.
Yeah. Mangilaw Market Grounds.
Mangilaw Market.
Mangilaw Market Grounds. Come on.
Magbalik yan rin ha.
Thank you. Marami. Ikaw, video ba?
I think that's pretty it.
What's that?
Pati din to? Magkano to? $15. $15 na? $10 din to? Ito pang kurente na isda ko ah. Takot sa aso. Takot sa aso. Takot dito. Sabay ka dito. Paano sabay ka dito? Kulay pink ako, pink black. Black. Kaya ano, time tayo. Yes, paano malalaman ang full charge? Mahina mo yan. Tumama. Full charge lang kasi, ano lang sa hindi lumaba ako eh. Ito, ano po? Gas lang dito, di ba? May charger nga.
We're having a 6
16th annual block party. We're having a $10,000 cash raffle on the 21st. We're having fireworks on Liberation Night at 7:21 p.m. Lots of different things. Today at 6 p.m. at the Paseo, grand prize is $10,000 in cash. So we still have opportunities to purchase tickets, $5 for 6,000 book, and 50% of the sales will come back to our Manila community and our services are free. So that's for some tickets, or you want to buy some help for free.
Okay. Do I have to do this? Which one?
Caramel. Ay, caramel ba? Is that?
This is sweet and salt. Oh yeah, sweet and salt.
Sweet and salt. Which one is caramel? Ah, that one.
$8.
Sige na. Which one do you want? We'll buy.
I'm not hungry.
The big one.
Caramel.
That's $10, right?
This is 10.
Wow, dako. Up into my train. Ito sa Tubanganan.
Ah, asa na ito ba?
It's the train.
Go there, kuya.
Going to...
Very excited community of Guam is excited to welcome one of Guam's newest charter schools, which is the Business and Technology Academy in the beautiful village of Urbana, our neighboring village. It is located at the famous Central School. So here
What's that, drum?
courses such as English, arts, the mathematics, social studies, and science. And
Balde man na.
will be our business technology courses including aviation technology,
Here, that's a bucket.
Barbecue.
technology, marketing, pre-engineering, engineering technology, and they also have focus subjects like China language and culture, fine arts and music, and language classes in Korean.
Ang daming barbecue,
There's no harm in inquiring for children who are
halos lahat green.
in 12th grade in this new,
Naganga barbecue.
fresh, and free
Baligyan barbecue.
Tagalog han.
Selling. Nagbebenta ng barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Maraming barbecue station. Walang fish. Naghahanap ako ng fish. Wala naman. Okay lang. Pasyal-pasyal lang. Ang nabili namin popcorn na laki.
Okay. For $10.
Mura-mura, $10. Tapos mga fruits tsaka laruan, mga toys tsaka mga souvenirs yung binibenta dito. Kaya pag napunta kayo, pag yun yung gusto nyo, you can get it all.
Oo.
Masarap yung barbecue.
Pili ka? Doon barbecue.
Again, we didn't hear the news. We're still selling the Liberation raffle tickets. This is only for
Meron pala mga pickled item. Kaya that's it mga ka-share. Next time na nagkaroon kayo ng chance, pasyal kayo dito, Mangilaw Market Grounds.